Wikipedia defines branding as a concept that extends far beyond the marketing of the brand name. To further explain it, this means that a company's brand represents their market identity, who they are, what they do, what kind of quality they provide, their reputation, their trustworthiness, etc. Today at Simply Curious, we are going to look at few of the most successful brand names that have now become synonymous with the product to an extent where people refer to the product with the brand name and not the original product name. Number 10. Post-it. A post-it note or sticky note is a small piece of paper with a readhesible strip of glue on its back, made for temporarily attaching notes to documents and other surfaces. A unique low-tack pressure-sensitive adhesive allows the notes to be easily attached, removed and even reposted elsewhere without leaving residue. Originally small yellow squares, Post-it notes and related products are now available in an array of colors, shapes and sizes. Although 3M's patent expired in 1997, Post-it and the original note's distinctive yellow color remain registered company trademarks. Despite this, the name has become genericized for all such products in many companies. Number 9. Sellotape. Sellotape is a British brand of transparent polypropylene-based pressure-sensitive tape and is the leading brand in the United Kingdom. Sellotape is generally used for joining, sealing, attaching and mending. The term has become a genericized trademark used in Britain, Ireland, South Africa, Croatia, Greece, India and many other countries. The term is also used much in the same way that Scotch tape came to be used in Canada and the United States in referring to any brand of clear adhesive tape. Number 8. Hawaii Chappal. Unlike the popular belief that these came from Hawaii, Bata introduced flip-flops in India under the brand name of Hawaii. The product became so popular that the brand name stuck to it, and till date, people refer to rubber slippers or flip-flops as Hawaii Chappals. Number 7. Tupperware. Tupperware is a leading US home products line that includes preparation, storage, containment and serving products for the kitchen and home. It also includes plastic containers used to store goods and/or food. In 1942, Earl Tupper developed his first bell-shaped container. The brand products were introduced to the public in 1948. In 2013, the top marketplace of Tupperware was Indonesia. Their sales were more than $200 million with 250,000 salespersons. Today, the brand has become the product name across the world. As in, any brand of plastic storage containers for food are now referred to as Tupperware. Number 6. Velcro. Velcro is the blend of the French words velour or velvet and crochet or hook. De Mistral invented this touch fastener that consisted of two components, a lineal fabric strip with tiny hooks that could mate with another fabric strip with smaller loops, attaching temporarily until pulled apart. Initially made of cotton, the fastener was eventually constructed with nylon and polyester for durability. De Mistral named his invention as well as his company Velcro, which continues to manufacture and market the fastening system. Number 5. Vaseline. Unilever is an Anglo-Dutch company that sells petroleum jelly products under the brand of Vaseline. These products include plain petroleum jelly and a selection of skin creams, soaps, lotions, deodorants and cleansers. But in many languages, people use Vaseline generically for petroleum jelly. Number 4. Band-Aid. Johnson & Johnson is an American multinational pharmaceutical, medical devices and consumer goods manufacturing company founded in 1886. It is headquartered in New Jersey and has products sold in over 175 countries. Band-Aid is the brand name of Johnson & Johnson's line of adhesive bandages. However, it is arguably most commonly used for bandage not only in the US but across the world. Number 3. Xerox. Xerox Corporation is an American global corporation that sells business services and document technology products. The company was founded in New York and is headquartered in Connecticut. Xerox is used as a synonym for photocopy by many. The company is engaged in an outgoing advertising and media campaign to convince the public that Xerox should not be used as a verb. Despite their efforts, many dictionaries continue to include the use of Xerox as a verb, including the Oxford English Dictionary. Number 2. Bisleri. Bisleri is a famous brand of bottled water in India with 60% of the market share in packaged drinking water. Bisleri, an Italian mineral water company, was launched in India in the year 1965 and bought by Parle in 1969. The company's effort to develop Bisleri as a brand and bring safe drinking water into the public domain has become hugely successful today. Bisleri is synonymously used for mineral water. Number 1. Google. Google is an American multinational technology company specializing in internet-related services and products that include online advertising technologies, search, cloud computing, and software. Universally, people use Google it as a term for looking up on the internet. With Google as the leading search engine, there's little doubt how this habit came into existence. What do you think of this list? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button and share it with your friends and family. For more interesting and entertaining videos, stay tuned to Simply Curious.